It's a grown-up game. You get 3 goes. Those are the rules. The board has to be set just right. 3 goes, then it's my go. I said sorry 12 times. Anyway, she called me stupid. Mum says she's not to call me stupid. I want to say sorry 12 times more, but Samuel, you've got to leave in plenty of time. Have I taken the 0841 train to Chester, stopping in 7 minutes at Birkenhead Central, so I'm getting the 0854 bus to Lowry, have a cup of tea with Borton, start my job. Plenty of time. Shit! Level 9. Fuck you, Angry Birds! I'm an angry bird. I'm an angry bird because this train is now 3 minutes late. It was supposed to leave at 0841, it's now 0844. That means I will not get to Birkenhead Central until 0851. That is only 3 minutes to catch the train. Bus! The bus! You watch. I will fly into those horrible pigs myself. I'll get to Birkenhead Central in no time at all. You just watch. Only had a big slingshot. Don't struggle with your bags on the stairs and escalators. Remember to take the lift. Do you have a ticket? There's £20 fine for anyone found the railway with that stick. I have my ticket right here. Oh, 0846. 5 whole minutes late. Make sure you get to work on time, Samuel. She said so. She said I was on time. I was early, in fact. Do you have your ticket? The stick machine at the end of the platform. There was also a woman there, but I don't like to go there. Sometimes me and Charlotte hide from her. If you go down inside the ticket machine, you can see her, but she can't see you. Charlotte is so funny. Charlotte makes farting noises. Charlotte thinks I'm stupid. Excuse me, what's wrong with the train? We're now 7 minutes late. I should be there by now. Sorry isn't always good enough, I'm afraid. I'm afraid when you make someone cry, Samuel, sorry isn't always good enough. Even if you never meant it. Even if you said sorry 12 times, sorry isn't always good enough. Pack your bag, Samuel, you want to leave in plenty of time. We just like angry birds together. Had the ball games, it's Christmas. She's too young to play, it's a grown-up game. You get 3 goes. 3 goes, then it's my go. Those are the rules. Do you understand, Charlotte? It's a grown-up game. I have on my red hat and she called me stupid. Well, I'm not stupid, and Mum says you're not to say it. On my red hat and she is the pig. Stupid, Samuel! Stupid! Oh, 8:51. 10 whole minutes late. Got a 7-minute journey. Just walk myself. If a train can travel at 79 miles per hour, and the train to Birkenhead Central takes 7 minutes. Then a very angry bird can travel even faster.